People with disabilities face many inconveniences in their daily lives. Mirror height suitable for people with disabilities to use. Suitable for the needs of different groups of people. Professional team design. High-quality mirror material. Design of 3 functional buttons. Quickly switch between usage functions. Open and adjust the brightness. 3 different lighting modes. Back hook details. Stable anti-slip mounting bracket. Why choose US? Glass production process. Directly processing the mirror effect with 1 clamping to improve wear and corrosion resistance. 1-click defogging. Explosion-proof glass safety design. Meet the needs of different groups of people and create a comfortable social environment. Deliver every care and concern. Illuminate a perfect life. Luvoti, the mirror is silent but it reflects your charm loudly.